Good morning. So today is going to be my first day back to homeschooling video. Right now, it's the evening before our first day of homeschooling, and I thought this was super important to just kind of show you how I planned things out for tomorrow because it's a new year. You always want to start off really strong, really, it's just a thing. 2 teens, 1 preteen, and 1 8, almost 9-year-old that has Down syndrome. And so let me just kind of show you what I have. I have written out my son's work that he will be completing tomorrow morning. He has Spanish class at 3 online virtual, and he's doing Devo, English, math. He's doing his literature book, which is actually over here. I pulled it out ready for him to go. The rest of the stuff is inside of his closet. And then his brother is also, this is what he's doing. We're going to do Bible study together. We're also going to do our study on our history that we're going to be doing together. And so it's here, it's ready to go. Over here, this is all of Naomi's stuff that we're going to be working on tomorrow. We kind of worked on it a little bit tonight. So I have it out, but I'm going to make it nice and neat. We are just going, rocking, and grooving and all the stuff through that. Sister is pretty on top of it when it comes to her schoolwork. So I'm just gonna make my way upstairs and show her, or actually show you her schoolwork, which is sitting in her bedroom right now on top of her, you'll see. So we went through this the other day on what she has to do. So she's got her math, and then this is actually her devotional, and then this is her history. She knows what to do. And then this is, we already talked about how we're going to be doing her language arts. So actually, I just bought a planner for my daughter. It's supposed to be arriving tomorrow morning for her to go ahead and start jotting things down in it. So I've been home educating my kids like their whole lives. So my 15, soon to be 16-year-old has never stepped foot in a public school classroom or a private school classroom. Same with all of my kids. And one of the complaints that a lot of people get that homeschool their kids is, are you socializing them? Not as much as it was back in the day. I say back in the day as in like pre-pandemic. I'm here to say that that is not a thing because my kids are in co-op. Or it's not really co-op, it's a home education program. Home education instructional program, like it has a title now. There's reasons behind that. I'm not gonna get into it with this video. But the point is they're around other kids their age, other kids not their age, and adults, and it's a very small community, and we're just kind of working together to raise our kids and teach our kids and all the things. They have that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Naomi does have therapies on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then she's at the co-op on Thursday. Friday, I don't want to dub it as our free day, but it's kind of like our doctor appointment slash finish your schoolwork slash possibly free day kind of thing. That's kind of how I've arranged it this year. Saturdays are busy all day. Sundays are busy for the most part. They do have a lot of free time on Sundays. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get everybody ready for bed. Teenagers just go to their room. I'm just going to be honest. There's no bedtime for teenagers. I mean, there is. It's be in your room by a certain time and stay there. But Naomi needs to get ready for bed because she still has a bedtime. Also, one of the things is tomorrow morning they got to wake up early and they've got to go running because they've been training for cross country. And we've got a couple of races that we have to take care of, knock out at the beginning of the year. We've already done one. It's already started. So bright and early, we're going to train. Good morning. So today was supposed to be the first day of school, and I've been up since about 4:30 a.m. with a sick child, and so we're gonna drink my coffee and pray that nobody else gets it, and try school on another day. First day of school on another day. All right, it's been a few days, and I hope today is the day we start. The boys are talking about running. I am actually going to go and get Naomi ready to take her down to her therapies. This morning she has 2. Hey girl, morning.
Hello.
Good morning. So this morning I have literally 15 minutes to get all of her food done. I'm gonna shove it in her bento box. She's requested cereal for the first day of school. She doesn't realize it's the first day of school, but what's nice about her is now I can literally say to her, so if you've been following my channel, you know my daughter with Down syndrome, I've kind of shared some stuff. I woke her up and I said, go to the bathroom and get dressed, and she got out of bed and she shuffled and did those things. One son is running and one son is eating a bagel. You know, the reason I'm showing you this video, of course, I don't have the floofy, beautiful flowers on the table and all the little decorations that some of you guys with the younger kids have. Would you want me to put some flowers on the table to celebrate the first day of school? He's shaking his head no. He's got a bagel in his mouth. And here comes the other side.
Sorry, that it's been untying my shoes every time.
Are you gonna go now?
Yes, I'm gonna get some.
He's gonna go now. All right, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take her to therapy. We're in the car. Anyway, even though I'm taking her to therapy this morning, I did not leave my kids alone at home. My husband is home today, is actually in charge of doing all language arts with my kids because that is the subject that intimidates me. Everybody has it, and that's what he's doing. So I told him to take some video footage, insert right here. I just dropped Naomi off at therapy, and hopefully we'll get some footage. We'll see.
You're putting it together? I can help you. You got to pop. Try again. Can you sit crisscross applesauce? Thank you. And here we go. Good job. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3.
So I'm actually standing outside of our speech therapist right now. I actually had a really good conversation with her occupational therapist, which you just saw the video from. She is working on her fine motor skills and manipulating those eggs very slowly and gently. She's having to work on pressure. It's really, really good to develop those fine motor skills. But we were also talking about transitionings and how she specifically needs a fun game to bring her into the learning experience, and because she hates certain things like, you know, writing. And if I take, she was suggesting, because she does this with her, if you take that fun game and take an element from that fun game and then bring it into the new activity that you're doing that she doesn't necessarily like, she goes, oh, look, I had fun with this specific toy. Maybe I'll have fun with this activity that I don't usually like. So it was a really cool idea, and I thought it was cool, and I thought I would share it with you. Next, we're gonna go home after this is done. I just got home to a very clean house, and Hannah has all her work completed. Right here, Ethan has some of his work completed. It's nice and easy. Like with preteens, I just grade work when I come home. It's kind of nice. I think he did language arts with Dad, so that's why he doesn't have language arts for me to grade. But it is lunchtime. Can you believe we've done this all? I'm gonna make hamburgers, and that's my plan in grade work. Hamburgers and grading. We're gonna move into Naomi's schoolwork right now. We are going to do Naomi's favorite game, which I'm gonna use the technique that her OT gave to me. This is her favorite game right now. She actually picked out 2 games. These are both math themed because we're obsessed with games lately, right?
Yes.
Okay, which one do you want to do first?
Fun.
I knew you were gonna pick that one because you always pick that one, okay?
Oh, fun.
It is fun. Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I start. Oh,
What color is that?
4.
Good.
1, 5.
Okay, so what do you do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep, that's right. I have, what color is that?
9.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Okay, we've got your number blocks here, and they can help you. I'm gonna put them right here. I feel like we need to get number block crayons. Okay, where does the little line go?
Here.
Uh-huh, what letter is that?
Oh.
And what sound does it make?
Oh.
La 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 lion.
Running.
Down and across. Try this one. Good, that was perfect. Now do this one. Good, slowly, go slow. Go slow. Very good. What's this one?
B.
Big.
The.
Big.
I like B.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hannah, what are you doing?
I'm making guacamole for tomorrow.
She's making guacamole for lunch tomorrow at the co-op, right? Oh, we should put some lemon in it. That way it won't go bad fast. Do you know where the lemon is?
Yep, you bought some.
I did. All right, we're winding down the day. I'm gonna confess that it was very difficult to get her started back into the regular routine of sitting here and doing work for an hour. But that's normal, right? That's normal for everyone. So it's almost 4 o'clock. My other son is working on his Spanish and we're gonna be doing Bible study. We didn't do history. I did not do a good job planning because we actually have to take my son. He has a banquet tonight. And that we have to leave at 6. So I don't think we're gonna be able to do it.
Yes, and well, there we go there, and the Spirit of God comes upon him.
Who was once homeless, now turned the dictator of Germany. Heads nodded, some in agreement with the pastor, others squirmed with worry.
I'm gonna call it a day. You know what? I'm sorry. It probably ended pretty abruptly because you know what? Honestly, it did. Because I'm tired. It's been a long day. And that's normal for first day of school completely. But we did it. And vacation and summer is, well, summer's not over technically in Florida. Like it's never over. But break time is over. So I will see you in my next video, which will be out. The reels will be out on Friday and Mondays. And on Wednesday, I will have another long form video. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.